This is Peeps in the microwave. So let's put it up. 5 seconds. I don't think you can see it. What's in there? Oh. And what happened to it? It exploded. That looks super good. Wow. Let's try this one more time. Clear. So 5 seconds. Oops, I need to close the door. So 5 seconds. You can see it right there. See, it's getting bigger and bigger. Whoa, it's getting really huge. Looks like a big giant slug. That yellow that you're seeing right there is a peep. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that. It's so huge. Wow. I've been wanting to do this forever. Ow. It's so hot. Ouch. Better get a paper towel. I just need to take this out. That's it. See you later.